Driving back from the Norwalk Raceway Park yesterday and got no horn, got no lighter either. So taking the tester here, find out fuse blew. Now, went to the local hardware store and I picked up Noble packet of 3 for $1.20. So that comes out to what, 41 cents a piece or something like that. But let's put it on and see what happens. Okay, so I got the Harbor Freight light here. Says to put some more light on the subject. And if you look right there, there is your fuse panel. So it's right underneath the gas pedal. Now, if you really wanted to, you could take off the gas pedal, but I wouldn't recommend it. Just get to your fuse box and put the fuse in. Now, it's number 8 and it requires a number 20. So I got the Ford shop manual here. Still the same car. So here it is right here. So that is number 8. That is your horn and cigarette lighter. And your number 8 is right there. So that's the one we're looking for. It's the second one from the bottom. I'll let you guys have a slow gander at all the different fuse sizes and where they all go. Now, to do this, by the way, these fuses are made in Taiwan, so not saying it's going to happen tomorrow, but I would definitely go get some fuses now, just in case, I don't know, a war happens tomorrow or something. Now the light's not being cooperative. There we go. Okay. See, this is the problem with this car. Everything is so gosh darn in the way of everything. And, you know, it's not wanting to fit or even cooperate. So. Now you can take this, your tester, and help it push it in. Try not to stab the glass, because if you stab the glass, you're done. There we go. test her out. All right. Let's see. Oh, there we go. So this should work. Yep, there we go. She works. So that's how you that's pretty annoying. So that's how you change the fuse on a fuse panel in a 74 to 78 Mustang, and if it's a bad horn. So that's it, guys. That's all I got for this content. So if you like this content, please hit a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Later.